Good day, guys. Today we are looking at a Jayco Journey that's in for a major comfort upgrade. The owners loved their van, but like many of you, they found the standard cafe lounge was just too cramped and uncomfortable. Instead of trading in a van they otherwise love, they asked us to take it to the next level. I'm excited to have a little look-see. Wow, what an amazing transformation! It looks brand new. Just perfect, hey? So what we've done is we completely stripped out that old dinette and replaced it with these luxury recliners. The difference in comfort is night and day. It is the perfect setup for those cold or rainy days when you just want to sit back and relax inside. But we don't just stop at the chairs. To make this space truly functional, we built a custom benchtop and cupboards that match the Caravan's original interior perfectly. It actually looks like it was meant to be there from the factory. We've even added a trifold table that's easy to use and provide plenty of room to move around. One of the biggest bonuses is the extra storage and bench space, and it looks just perfect. It made the whole van feel so much more open and spacious. If you're tired of uncomfortable seating and want to fall in love with your caravan all over again, we're just a phone call away. You can reach us on 0466 935 487 or email us at sales@caravanandcampinglife.com.au.